DJ RB and Flux, otherwise known as the Urban Flow.
Kahit ilan mo pa kapege na bolang kristal, ang selos talaga ay mahirap na iwasan. Di mo malalaman ng iyong kakabagsakan. Ano ba yan? Bakit ba nagkaganito? Inabot ang tampuhan ng lako 3 linggo. But baby, may iha ba lady? May mama, patawarin mo ako kung nasasaktan kita. Dito sa mundo ng puso ko, ikaw lang ang babae na nilalambing nito. Sinisita at lagi na lang sinisigaw. Kahit namumula ang humahaping singaw, tumapula-pula mulapit. Nais itong sumapit, hawakan at check-upin ka girl. Halika ng iyong labi. Oh my dearest, my lovey cutie baby, what a love is since day one. You really make me happy and you love me, you love me seriously. You wanna love in my heart, ganun din sa iyong sarili. Kaya baby, sirahin mo na ang pangamba. Gulo mo nga sa akin, selos lang yan, diba?
Selos lang yan, diba? Baby, selos lang yan, diba? Selos lang yan, selos lang yan, selos lang yan, diba? Oh, selos lang yan, diba? Selos lang yan, baby, selos lang yan, diba? Oh,
Channel 13. From the first time I put my love on the line, I knew you were so blind to put the shine on my one. So you say so many men have passed your way, and wishing one could love you and never want to wait. Anyway, who was strong and man enough to stay? Hey, the man that made your day was the king, Super J. Hey, to you my love, I could never be me. I'm your man, Mr. Clean, pure as white, never could see. Tina Loreen told you the wrong thing. She be adding this and made it sound so obscene. Do you remember what I said last December? Our love will never fade as long as we two are together. Jealousy will take you nowhere, baby. Get you stuck in a room and going crazy. You be screaming in your dreams, you all hate me, but deep inside yourself, you still love me. Come on a minute, you's the one who did it. Your heart was once fitted, but look, I fit it. Candace brother say what he wanna say. I speak the truth from the heart, they never play. In the beginning, to who am I committing? I took you out the show and your head was one ticking, and seeking for the man that you think is worth respecting. A man that will take it to a trance of love making. Come on, everybody in the house, come on, sing with us, come on.
selos lang yan, Lola.
What?
Selos lang yan, selos lang yan, selos lang yan, diba? Oh, selos lang yan, pare. Selos lang yan, diba?
Come on.
Oh, selos lang yan, selos lang yan, selos lang yan, diba?
Yeah. Channel 13. Let's go, sis. That's right there. Everybody in the house, come on, sing with us, come on.
On.
Let's go,
Let's sing this, come on.
Come on, sing with us, come on, yo.
Selos lang yan.
Come on, everybody, come on.
Come on, sing it. Baby, selos lang yan, diba?
Selos lang yan,
Selos lang yan, selos lang yan, selos lang yan, diba? Selos lang yan, diba?
Baby,
Oh, baby,
selos lang yan.
selos lang yan, diba?
Selos lang yan.
Selos lang yan, selos lang yan, selos lang yan, diba?
Thank you.
Selos lang yan, eternally.
Baby, selos lang yan. 13 and a half, 13. Baby Calvin in the house.
Urban Flow is in the house, one song for your mom.
Chocolate.
All right. Hello. Okay, here we go. Urban Flow, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, tell us about the album. The new album. This album I am holding right now here in my hand.
Ari, why don't you go promote this?
Say
Yeah, we
Ari.
just released our third album on the Octars EMI. It's called Mascom, featuring the first single, Celos. Hope you check it out.
Sa mga hindi pa
Sino-
bumibili ng first and second, you should have a collection. Tatlo
Oh,
na,
yes.
diba? Right?
Sino ang nagsulat nitong Selos lang yan na kanta?
Celos.
Yun lagi pinagseselotan sa amin.
Balik kaming dalawa.
May pinag-aagawa kayong babae, hindi naman siguro. Ano?
Hindi naman to. Bakla.
Bading! Nako,
Ay, naku ha.
Meron
Sabihin mo
kaming-
na.
Ayaw pang aminin eh.
meron kaming bading dyan, si hindi ko babanggit yan. Yan, pwede ko pakilala sa inyo mamaya. Alright, any more shows? Meron kayong gustong i-plug pa na show na dapat nilang abangan?
Well, actually, sa kami ngayon, dedicated kami sa mga sa promotion namin ngayon. So sa mga malls, standby, just watch out for us sa mga malls.